arriba, arriba. I'm sitting alone in this dark room. I'm looking around, there's nothing but gloom. I look out the window into the sky. I'm feeling strange, there's something awry. I jump to my feet, I'm heading out the door, straight to the path I'd been down before. The moon shine bright, I'm on my way. I'm leaving this place, I know I can't stay. This fear in my soul as I walk the path, like a deep burning furnace, I feel the wrath. But I know it won't help, so I let it go. The sun starts to rise, and the sky is aglow. The journey continues as the day dawns. Souls walk the path like closed pawns. I see the distant mountains far, far away. My hope keeps me going, I know I can't stray. This fear in my soul as I walk this path, like a deep burning furnace, I feel the wrath. But I know it won't help, so I let it go. The sun starts to rise, and the sky is aglow.